to go. Let there be love. Let there be light in my city. Let there be light in ILORIN. Let there be love. Across to go. Let activations everywhere. Angels, angels, deliver, deliver, deliver. I don't bring the song for the theater. We will rise in your name, Adonai, to reign on high. We will rise in your name, Adonai, Adonai, to reign on high. It's not about our rising, hey, it's just about your name. We will rise in your name, to reign on high. Say, you reign on high, you reign on high, you reign on high, Adonai, you reign on high, you reign on high, you reign on high, Adonai. Blow, blow, blow like the mighty wind. Spirit of victory, cover us with your wings. Blow, blow, blow like the mighty wind. Spirit of victory, cover us with your wings. Blow like the mighty blow. When you are here, come in land up on Mirea. When you are here, 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 when you are here. One more song that we all know and then I'll go. Jesus, my love, I want to make you smile. I want to bless your heart. Jesus, my darling, oh, I was born to make you smile. I want to bless your heart. Jesus, my love, I want to make you smile. I want to bless your heart. Everybody in this hall, sing it. Jesus, Jesus, my love, I want to make you smile. Shiloh,
I want to make you smile.
sing Jesus, raise your voices. Jesus, my love, Shiloh too, I want to make you smile. Baba, I want to bless you. Let me be the reason of your smiling and your dancing, Jesus.
Jesus, Jesus, my love,
I want to make you smile.
I want to make you smile.
I want to bless your heart.
I want to bless your heart.
Oh, Jesus, my darling, oh. Jesus, my Lord, I want to make you smile. I want to bless you. I want to bless your heart. Let them see you. I know. Let them see me. I know you, Jesus. Jesus, my Lord, I want to make you smile.
I want to make you smile.
I want to bless. I want to bless.
your
I want to bless. I want to bless your heart. Yes.
Jesus, Jesus, my
Let the
love,
territory be free because of me. Oh. I want to bless your heart.
I want to bless your heart.
Yes. 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 Oh, my love. I want to make you smile. I want to bless you.
Your heart.
Yes.
Jesus, Jesus, my love, I want to make you smile. I want to bless your heart.
are not tired? I hope we are not tired. You see, the move of God over the age is such that a 2 minutes Christian in the place of prayer, that's no place in the agenda of God for this time. You see, I looked at, you know, I hope you know if this meeting were to be a praise meeting, you know, we would have overflow. It tells you and it extras to us. It mirrors to us what the focus of the church is. Prayer meetings, evangelism meetings are the least attended. Why? Because that is not where our heart is. It simply means that we are not ready for God, we are not ready for His move in our time. And that's why the first question I asked you is that, are you tired? I'm asking you because, you see, people can no longer tarry in the presence of God for so long. They are already tired. And you see, whatever is being displayed in the church is a direct implication of what you have in your secret place. If you cannot tarry for some hours, it simply means that in your secret place you are just joking. Now, not by virtue of the